Do you want to be a millionaire? Have you ever wondered what it takes to earn that coveted seven-figure status? Welcome to the world of riches, where your dreams can transform into reality with the right mindset. Today, we're going to explore the mindset of a millionaire. And it's not just about having a fat bank account. It's about determination, self-discipline, and the willingness to take calculated risks. It's about dreaming big, but also understanding the importance of each penny in your pocket. You see, becoming a millionaire isn't a product of mere luck or inheritance. It's a journey, an adventure where you learn to command your finances, not be commanded by them. And in this journey, budgeting plays a key role. It's the compass guiding you towards your goal, the first step on the stairway to that seven-figure status. If you're ready to embark on this journey, let's dive into the first crucial step, understanding and mastering budgeting. So, what's the big deal about budgeting? Why is it so crucial in our quest to be a millionaire? You might wonder. Let's dive into the heart of the matter. Budgeting, in its simplest form, is a plan for your money. It's a roadmap that guides you on how to allocate your resources wisely. By having a clear picture of where your money comes from and where it goes, you can effectively manage your finances. But budgeting is not just about tracking income and expenses. It's a powerful tool that empowers you to take control of your financial destiny. It's the key that unlocks the door to wealth accumulation. Now think about this. Every millionaire, every successful entrepreneur, every financial guru out there has one thing in common. They all swear by the power of budgeting. Why? Because budgeting helps control spending. It's like a guardrail that prevents you from falling into the abyss of financial ruin. It keeps your spending habits in check, ensuring that you live within your means and not beyond it. But that's not all. Budgeting also aids in increasing savings. With a well-crafted budget, you can set aside a portion of your income for your savings goals. Over time, these small amounts accumulate, and before you know it, you've built a significant nest egg. Moreover, budgeting plays a pivotal role in making wise investment decisions. It allows you to identify any surplus income that can be invested in profitable ventures. Remember, the key to growing wealth is not just about making money, but also about making your money work for you. And that's the beauty of budgeting. It's not about cutting back on everything you love or living a life of deprivation. Instead, it's about making informed decisions, about prioritizing and balancing what you want now and what you want most. So, if you're serious about your journey to becoming a millionaire, start budgeting. Embrace it as your financial compass, guiding you towards your ultimate goal of financial freedom. Remember, budgeting is not about limiting your freedom, but about making your money work for you. Now that we understand the power of budgeting, how do we do it effectively? The journey to financial freedom, and eventually becoming a millionaire, starts with mastering the art of budgeting. Let's break down the process into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Tracking income and expenses. It's time to play detective with your money. Know where every cent goes. Start by documenting your income. This includes your salary, investment returns, or any other sources of income. Then track your expenses. From your morning cup of joe to your monthly rent or mortgage payments, every expense should be accounted for. This step will give you a clear picture of your current financial situation. Step 2. Setting financial goals. Now that you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's time to map out your financial journey. What are your short-term and long-term goals? Perhaps you want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or invest in a business. Your goals will guide your budgeting process. Step 3. Creating a budget plan. This is where the magic happens. Allocate a percentage of your income to different categories based on your goals. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to essentials like rent and groceries, 30% to personal expenses, and 20% to savings or investments. Remember, your budget is personal and should cater to your unique needs and goals. Step 4. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the plan. Life happens, and it's okay to adjust your budget to accommodate changes. Regularly review your budget, and don't shy away from making necessary adjustments. The key is to remain committed to your financial goals. Budgeting is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process that requires commitment, consistency, and a bit of discipline. But don't worry, with each passing day you'll get better at it. And remember, the goal here isn't to limit your spending. Instead, it's to ensure your money is being used in a way that aligns with your financial goals. Because when you control your money, you control your future. Budgeting is not a one-time task, but a continuous process that requires commitment and consistency. If you're finding this content valuable and you're eager to continue your financial journey with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're here to empower you with financial wisdom and actionable tips to help you cultivate that millionaire mindset. We regularly upload content on various financial topics, from investing and saving to budgeting and financial planning. By subscribing, you'll ensure you never miss out on any of our insightful videos. So hit that subscribe button, click on the bell icon for notifications, and join us as we navigate the path to financial freedom together. Remember, becoming a millionaire starts with the right mindset and the right information. So why wait? Subscribe now and let's continue this journey together. While budgeting seems straightforward, many people fall into common pitfalls. So what are these mistakes and how can we avoid them? Picture this: you've just created your budget, you're feeling pretty good about it, but after a few weeks or months, you find that it's not working out as you'd planned. This is a common scenario, and it's often due to a few prevalent mistakes. First up, not accounting for all expenses. It's easy to overlook small expenses, but they can add up quickly. That daily coffee, the monthly streaming subscriptions, even your gym membership, all need to be factored into your budget. To avoid this, track every penny you spend. Yes, every single one. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you make necessary adjustments. Next, not having an emergency fund. This is a crucial safety net that can protect you from unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Without it, you might find yourself dipping into your savings or worse, going into debt. Start by setting aside a small amount each month until you have about 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Thirdly, not adjusting the budget as circumstances change. Your budget isn't set in stone. It's a fluid document that should change as your life changes. If you get a raise, your expenses increase, or you reach a financial goal, adjust your budget accordingly. Regularly reviewing and updating your budget can keep you on track. Lastly, not setting realistic goals. It's great to aim high, but setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to frustration and budget burnout. Set achievable, incremental goals that will keep you motivated and moving forward. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Avoiding these mistakes can make your journey to becoming a millionaire smoother and faster. Remember, budgeting is a critical tool in your financial toolkit. Use it wisely, avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. We've talked about budgeting basics and common mistakes, but what are some budgeting habits that millionaires swear by? When it comes to financial management, millionaires often adhere to a set of habits that set them apart. Let's delve into these habits to understand how they can help us on our journey towards wealth accumulation. Firstly, millionaires understand the importance of living below their means. This doesn't mean they're frugal to the point of deprivation. Rather, they're intentional about their spending, directing their money towards what truly matters to them. They avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation where increased income leads to increased spending. Instead, they increase their savings and investments, allowing their wealth to grow exponentially over time. Next, millionaires prioritize investments. They understand that their wealth is not just about the money they earn, but also about the money they keep and grow. They invest in assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses that have the potential to generate passive income. They don't just work for money, they make their money work for them. Finally, millionaires never stop learning about financial management. They continuously educate themselves to stay updated on the latest investment trends and economic changes. They understand that knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it can translate into dollars. In essence, millionaires understand that building wealth is not just about making money, but also about smartly managing and growing that money. They focus on long-term financial growth rather than short-term gains. They're patient, disciplined, and always planning ahead. Remember, these habits aren't exclusive to millionaires. Anyone can implement them, regardless of their current financial status. It's not about how much money you make, but how you manage and grow it. Adopting these millionaire habits can significantly boost your wealth accumulation journey. And who knows, you might just find yourself joining the ranks of the millionaires sooner than you think. So, are you ready to budget your way to $1 million? We've covered a lot of ground today. We've delved into the millionaire mindset, which is all about cultivating a wealth-oriented perspective. We've talked about the transformative power of budgeting, which is the key to controlling your finances and driving your wealth growth. Discuss the steps to effective budgeting, which are essentially about planning, tracking, and adjusting. We've also highlighted some common budgeting mistakes to avoid, which can derail your journey to financial success. Lastly, we've shared the budgeting habits of millionaires, which are all about discipline, focus, and consistency. Remember, all these elements work together to pave your path to becoming a millionaire. Each step is significant. Each habit, each decision, each dollar saved and invested contributes to your million. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire starts with a single step, and that step is budgeting. So start today and let's make that million happen.